Before you buy any pool cue, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most cues look identical online, but feel completely different in your hands. The weight, balance, tip quality, and even how the wood feels can make or break your shot, and that's what separates a good cue from a great one. Product number 1, Garsen 3D001 Maple Cue Set. First up is the Garsen 3D001, a full 58-inch cue built from grade 6A Canadian maple, one of the strongest, most stable woods used in pro-level cues. With over 900 sold last month and a solid 2-year warranty, this isn't just style over substance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you play regularly at home or the bar, having a cue that doesn't warp over time and delivers consistent feedback is everything. The maple foundation gives you that solid hit without vibration, and the 13mm tip holds chalk well for better spin control. Now some people might complain about the lack of customer reviews. It's currently sitting at 0 stars, which makes it feel risky. But here's the thing, new brands often launch quietly, and with a full replacement warranty, you're covered if anything goes wrong. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, traditional-feeling cue with modern touches and don't mind being an early adopter. Skip this one if you need proven long-term feedback from hundreds of players. At $85, it's a strong value for the materials and warranty. Product number 2, HMQQ 2-piece cue set. Now, if the Garsen's lack of reviews made you nervous, this HMQQ set is a practical, budget-friendly alternative. Priced under $40, it comes in multiple sizes 42, 48, or 58, so it's great for teens, adults, or even kids just learning the game. The 2-piece design means you can easily store it in a closet or take it to the bar without hassle. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're playing casually at home or practicing with friends, you don't need a $200 cue, you need something reliable, portable, and affordable. The 13 leather tip gives decent grip on the cue ball, and the hardwood build resists warping, which is huge for long-term use. The 1-year warranty and 30-day return policy help, but honestly the biggest downside is the feel. It's not as balanced or smooth as higher-end cues, and heavy players might find the lighter weights 17-18 Oz too soft for strong breaks. Now some people complained about the joint loosening over time. Here's the thing though, for under $40 you're getting solid value, and tightening the joint occasionally is a small trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner, play socially, or need a backup cue. Skip this one if you're serious about improving your game or prefer a heavier, more responsive stick. Product number 3, Aklot Canadian Maple Cue Set. Alright, that was a solid budget option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for players who want pro-level feel without the pro-level price. The Aklot cue set uses real Canadian maple wood, no stickers, no fake prints, and each cue is hand-polished and dyed, giving it a rich, upscale look. It comes in a full range of weights, 18-21 Oz, so everyone in the family can find their perfect match. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're playing multiple times a week, you'll notice the difference in balance and feedback. The stainless steel joint and Irish linen wrap add durability and a comfortable grip, especially during long sessions. With 500+ sold and a 2-year warranty, it's clear people trust the build. Now some might say it's over $90, which feels steep compared to the HMQQ. But here's the thing, you're paying for real craftsmanship, not just a printed design. The carbon fiber look is actually part of the wood treatment, not a decal, so it won't peel. This is perfect for you if you want a cue that looks sharp, feels solid, and lasts years. Skip this one if you only play once in a while or don't care about aesthetics. Product number 4, HMQQ Compact Cue Smaller Package. Now, if the previous HMQQ was good but you're tight on space, this version comes in an even more compact package, same specs, smaller box. It's still a 2-piece cue with 13 tip, available in 42 to 58 and priced under $37. The rubber bumper is a nice touch, protects your floor when you lean it against the table. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're storing cues in a small apartment or taking them on trips, every inch counts. The quick-release joint makes assembly fast and the hardwood build holds up well for casual play. But let's be real, the downside is the same as the other HMQQ. It's not built for precision. The tip wears faster and the balance isn't as refined. Some buyers mention the tip loosening after a few weeks. Here's the thing though, at this price, it's meant to be a starter or backup cue, not your main weapon. This is perfect for you if you need something affordable, portable, and functional for home or bar games. Skip this one if you're serious about consistency or play in leagues. Product number 5, Crical Carbon Fiber Pro Q. Finally, if you're ready to invest in performance, the Crical Carbon Fiber Q is in a league of its own. At $163, it's the priciest on this list, but it uses low deflection technology, meaning less cue ball squirt on off-center hits, which is a game changer for accuracy. The 3/8x 8-pin joint keeps it stable, and the 12.5mm tip is smaller for finer control. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're playing competitively or practicing daily, this cue helps you shoot straighter and build confidence. Carbon fiber also resists humidity and temperature changes, so it won't warp like wood. The only real flaw, the price. And honestly, the lack of reviews makes it hard to judge long-term durability. But for players who have used similar cues, the performance boost is real. This is perfect for you if you're serious about improving and want a cue that grows with your skill. Skip this one if you're just playing for fun, your wallet will thank you. So which cue should you pick? If you're starting out, go with the HMQQ for under $40. Want something stylish and durable? Aklot or Garsen are great mid-range picks. Need portability? The compact HMQQ works. And if you're serious about your game, the Crical Carbon Fiber Q is worth the investment. No matter your level, there's a cue here that fits your game and your budget.